The NCLEX RN exam tests your ability to think critically and make sound judgments in real-life nursing scenarios. A crucial aspect is prioritizing client care. NCLEX priority questions challenge you to determine which client needs immediate attention or which intervention takes precedence. These questions simulate a busy hospital shift where you must quickly assess and decide who needs your attention first. Mastering this skill is essential for passing the NCLEX and for your future as a safe and effective registered nurse. Remember, the NCLEX assesses your readiness to provide safe and effective patient care. Facing a priority question on the NCLEX can feel overwhelming, but a structured approach can make all the difference. Here are some proven strategies to help you tackle these questions effectively. 1. The ABCs: airway, breathing, circulation. 1. Maslow's hierarchy. Prioritize physiological needs. 1. Acute versus chronic. Recognize urgency. 1. Safety. First, ensure patient safety. 1. Assessment versus action. Gather information first. Let's put these strategies into practice with some sample questions. Question 1. You are caring for 4 clients. Which client should you assess first? A client with pneumonia who has a temperature of 100.5 degrees I, 38.1 XC. B. A client with a fractured femur who reports pain of 4 out of 10. C. A client with congestive heart failure who has gained 1 pound or 0.9 kilos overnight. D. A client with asthma who is experiencing wheezing and severe shortness of breath. Rationale: the correct answer is D. Using the ABCs, we know that airway and breathing take precedence. Wheezing and shortness of breath indicate a potential airway obstruction, which requires immediate attention. Question 2. A nurse is receiving a report on 4 clients. Which client should the nurse see first? A client 2 days post-operative after a hip replacement who is requesting pain medication. B. A client with diabetes who needs a dressing change for a foot ulcer. C. A client with a new diagnosis of hypertension who is scheduled for discharge teaching. D. A client with a history of falls who is found lying on the floor. Rationale: the correct answer is D. Safety is paramount in nursing care. A client found lying on the floor requires immediate assessment for potential injuries. Question 3. A nurse is caring for a client who has just returned from surgery. The client is pale, diaphoretic, and reports feeling dizzy. What is the nurse's priority action? A. Administer pain medication as prescribed. B. Check the client's blood pressure and heart rate. C. Assist the client to a comfortable position. D. Notify the surgeon immediately. Rationale: the correct answer is B. The client is exhibiting signs of potential shock, which requires immediate assessment. Checking the blood pressure and heart rate will provide vital information about the client's circulatory status. Let's put these strategies into practice with more sample questions. Question 1. You are caring for 4 clients. Which client should you assess first? A client with pneumonia who has a temperature of 100.5 degrees Celsius, 38.11 degrees Celsius. B. A client with a fractured femur who reports pain of 4 out of 10. C. A client with congestive heart failure who has gained 1 pound, 0.9 kilogram overnight. D. A client with asthma who is experiencing wheezing and shortness of breath. Rationale: the correct answer is D. Using the ABCs, We know that airway and breathing take precedence. Wheezing and shortness of breath indicate a potential airway obstruction which requires immediate attention. Section 4. Differentiating RN and LPN roles in priority setting. Understanding the scope of practice for both registered nurses and licensed practical nurses is crucial for NCLEX priority questions. RNs have a higher level of autonomy and responsibility, leading in assessment and care coordination. They are responsible for initial patient assessments, developing care plans, and evaluating their effectiveness. LPNs provide direct patient care under supervision, such as taking vital signs and administering oral medications. While LPNs may notice changes in a patient's condition, they report these observations to the RN, who determines the priority action. NCLEX questions may test your ability to differentiate between RN and LPN roles. For example, a question might ask you what you would delegate to an LPN, requiring you to understand the scope of practice for each role. Section 5. Mastering NCLEX priority questions, tips, and resources. Mastering NCLEX priority questions takes practice and a solid understanding of nursing principles. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Seek out NCLEX practice questions specifically focused on prioritization and delegation. Think like a nurse. Put yourself in the nurse's shoes and consider the potential consequences of each action. Understand your resources. Familiarize yourself with resources available to you in a clinical setting, such as policies, procedures, and other healthcare professionals. Don't overthink. While it's essential to think critically, avoid overanalyzing the questions. Trust your instincts and the knowledge you've gained. Resources for further practice include Nurse Career Blueprint, known for its comprehensive NCLEX review materials, including practice questions and test-taking strategies. Our comprehensive review for the NCLEX RN examination is a widely used resource that includes detailed content review and practice questions. We offer a vast question bank with challenging NCLEX-style questions and detailed rationales. Section 6. Conclusion. Confidence for your NCLEX success. NCLEX priority questions can seem daunting, but with the right strategies and consistent practice, you can master them. Remember to rely on your knowledge of the ABCs, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and the principles of safe and effective nursing care. By approaching these questions with a clear and confident mindset, you'll be well prepared to succeed on your NCLEX and embark on your journey as a registered nurse. Please download your free NCLEX study guide at nursecareblueprint.com.